Let's make white, creamy chicken curry. We need 2 spoons of butter and 1 medium size of onion, 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste. So after frying everything for 3 minutes, now let's add chicken. So I'm using half kilo of boneless chicken. And now let's fry the chicken for 5 minutes on a medium heat. And now let's add the spices. We need 1 teaspoon of garam masala, some salt to taste, and some red chili powder. And also add 1 spoon of yogurt. Now it's time to add 200 gram of cream. Cover and cook for 10 minutes on a low heat. Creamy white chicken curry is ready.